The province of Siquijor in the Negros Island region. The province of Siquijor is a part of the Negros Island region or NIR in the Visayas Island group. The capital is the municipality of Siquijor. It is composed of 0 cities, 6 municipalities, and 134 barangays. It was founded on September 17, 1971, and the total land area is 337.49 kilometers squared or 130.31 square miles. The province lies south of Cebu, southeast of Negros Oriental, southwest of Bohol, and north of Mindanao. Here are the 6 municipalities comprising the province of Siquijor in the Negros Island region. We have the municipality of Enrique Villanueva with 14 barangays, the municipality of La Rena with 23 barangays, the municipality of Lazi with 18 barangays, the municipality of Maria with 22 barangays, the municipality of San Juan with 15 barangays, and the municipality of Siquijor also as the provincial capital with 42 barangays. And that is all about the different municipalities comprising the province of Siquijor in the Negros Island region. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.